Hello and welcome. My name is Greg Darlington. I'm the Vice President of Marketing in West Markets, and I'm joined here today with renowned ethnobotanist, world-renowned ethnobotanist, Dr. Paul Cox, who's helped us develop our Epoch line. Epoch was launched in 1996 and has been an amazing part of the Nu Skin portfolio. It is one of our most loved products, and thank you, Paul, for bringing that and helping us develop that. And it's a product that once people use it, they never want to stop using it. This year, the Epoch products are getting a package refresh, and we wanted to give you an inside look at how these products were developed and learn the inside information about the product line as you developed it for us. So let's start with an understanding of what it is like to be an ethnobotanist. What is an ethnobotanist, and what inspired you to pursue this career?
Well, as an ethnobotanist, I'm sort of half botanist and half anthropologist, because ethnobotany is the study of how indigenous people use plants. And they use plants for all sorts of things, for food, for shelter, for medicine, and for personal care. So I just really fell in love with this because I love plants, I love people, I've got a little gift with indigenous languages, so it all came together for me. It's a lot of fun.
Thanks, Paul. That was great. Another question for you. What inspired you to use the knowledge you gained to pursue the creation of a line called Epoch for Nu Skin?
You know, I just really fell in love with the people and the places, the villages I was at. It's awesome.
Yeah.
You're in a village, people gathered around, they're telling you their stuff about plants. Of course, my major focus has been trying to discover medicine, which is not associated with Nu Skin. Mm-hmm. But I noticed one day that the women had such beautiful skin and hair. Well, how do you have such beautiful skin and hair? And they said, well, we use plants. And boom, I start learning from people thousands of years of knowledge they've accumulated in their culture about how plants are used for personal care. Bring that to the cutting edge science here at Nu Skin. Science plus indigenous knowledge equals Epoch. That's the equation. And the thing I love, really the best part of it, is that every time an Epoch product sells, there's a give back to help the lives of indigenous people and children throughout the world. I mean, every time somebody sells something, boom, there's a little give back. And Nu Skin, and this is something I love about the company, every time a tube of Puimoni sells, 25 cents goes back into the Force for Good. And this builds schools, hospitals, surgeries for children. It's just awesome. I mean, and to me, that's why I'm so passionate about these products.
And that's why I'm passionate too. I was here when we developed
I
this
know, it was
product
a blast.
and we helped put it together.
You were 12 years old, as I remember, Greg.
I was barely in the double digits back then, but it was so fun to watch you bring these ingredients from these cultures and share them with Nu Skin, and then develop them into products.
I was literally bringing back Zig aluminum tubes with the ethanol extracts that I made in the field in my backpack. And it was so fun, you know. I mean, we put a big top-of-cloth banner up in product development. Yeah. I don't know, those were the days.
It
what
was
can I
so
say?
fun.
Yeah.
We love, Paul, your passion for giving back. Tell us more about how that works specifically.
Well, the Force for Good was started the same year as the Epoch products were launched.
It was part of it.
It was part of it, and the 25 cents donation was actually suggested by the company. Yeah. So, and you think, well, 25 cents, but you get the power of multiplication and duplication among our great distributors. Mm-hmm. I mean, this has turned into over $13 million now. And I mean, wow, what company could claim that? And so it goes to different good causes. I established Ecology to help island countries and villages throughout the world, indigenous people. So we protect rainforest and coral reef. The way we do that is we build a school or a hospital or a medical clinic or a solar electrification scheme for the village. In return, they protect their forest and coral reef. I mean, and that's a dream that really came true for me, the company made, because Barbara and I, when we started out, our friends and loved ones, students, we put out enough money together to build one school. And I thought,
I remember that.
That's why God put us here.
Yeah.
Well, now we're at 350. Epidermolysis bullosa research, that's a big word. Yeah. People used to say EB, but I don't know if you've seen EB, kids. I have too, yeah. You know, their skin cracks because they lack collagen. It's a genetic disease. And this company has taken Force for Good funds and funded this amazing research project at Stanford with some of the smartest people I've met. and they're now in clinical trials.
Yeah.
I mean, wow, wouldn't that be cool to stand up and convince say, well, we happen to cure a child's disease this year. Charity vision is really cool because in a lot of places, I know you've worked and I've worked too, in remote parts of South and Central America, people don't have glasses. And so they've provided eye care, glasses to people. It turns out in a lot of these places, 70% of kids are dropping out of school because they can't read the board. So far, 9,400 pairs of eyeglasses have been distributed by Charity Vision, and they've screened almost 34,000 kids for vision impairment, and it goes on. The thing that really blew me away, though, Greg, and I know you were involved heavily in this, is what this company did in Malawi.
Yes.
I mean, I was so moved by what happened, by establishing a school to teach people better agricultural practices, to have an orphanage, to make Vitamil. I mean, I think anybody that goes to Malawi is going to be transformed. Would you agree with that?
Absolutely. It's such an amazing place.
I asked, could I build something, maybe come up with a product sourced from African plants? And they said, well, give it a shot. And so I came back with what's now a baobab body butter.
Yeah.
Every time a tube of that sells, the company funds the planting of a tree in Malawi.
Yeah.
And so you could actually figure out how many trees have been planted by seeing the product sales. So I don't know, it just keeps going on and on and on. And the real credit, I think, goes to our distributors because what they're doing in selling these Epoch products is just, I mean, it fills my heart. Furthermore, I really love the products. I don't know about you, but I use them. I mean, look, feel that here. Come on, feel that here. Yeah, that's Avapuimo, yeah, every morning. And when I smell it and I'm in the shower, I'm like transported back to this island pool in the waterfall where the kids and the women showed me how to use it, you know. So the products are really fun. We love them in our family. I can't keep Baobab around because it's my daughters, my wife, goes away. So they're good products, but the great thing is look what the company's doing to help repay.
That's not just one or two things. That's a long list of things that we've done around the world over the last 25
And it keeps going.
years.
We're doing surgeries.
Yeah.
Surgeries in the Philippines. We build schools.
Well, another question for you, Dr. Cox. Nu Skin's leading the industry on this, and we love the innovation that we brought to this. Tell us a little bit more detail, some of the results of going to these EcoPack. And aren't we the first at this?
We are the first. And what a cool way to commemorate the 25th anniversary of Epoch. You know, we could have had a gong or taken our pictures and sent them out, whatever. But no, the company says, let's do better packaging. So this is cool. This is Firewalker. I was just using this at home yesterday. Look, this thing is amazing because by eliminating the head and shoulder of that tube, this EcoPack uses 10% less plastic. And each Epoch product now represents up to a 75% decrease in plastic.
Oh, wow.
Up to 75%. Now, does that sound like a lot in some little tube? Well, yeah, you figure up the volumes that our distributors sell. That's equivalent to 67 tons. 67 tons of plastic resin saved every year.
Because we changed to the EcoPack.
Yeah, that's the weight of 10 elephants. I mean, what a cool way to celebrate the 25th anniversary.
Right. All right, and we're starting to win awards with our Epoch packaging too.
Oh, cool.
What do you know about that?
I heard that's the 2020 Spark Design Award, and I'm pleased that some of our people that work so hard on these designs are getting recognized nationally. And there's an award given, I guess, for best ideas and new solutions. And I sort of love that. It fits into our whole vibe here, don't you think?
Our innovation mentality.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks for sharing with us all of this great information about Epoch products. We'll be having these products transition to this new packaging over the next few months. And Dr. Cox, we're super excited for you to have created these products for us, keeping those products updated, bringing us new innovations so that we can give back to the world, take care of children around the world. We just love what we do here. And thanks for all of your long, tireless work in the laboratories to help create these products and work on other projects as well.
Well, that's really kind of you to say that. I do have to say, though, that one thing that I think is amazing about Nu Skin is how much science we have here. Because I'm just part of a team, and there's a lot of team. I mean, the people that design this are amazing, right?
Yeah.
And they're quietly there thinking every day, how do we make stuff better? And it's a whole team of people focused on one thing, continually improve these products, make them better. Meanwhile, every time they sell, 25 cents goes to improve the lives of children everywhere. And I guess if I had one wish, Greg, I wish I could just take the distributors, anybody watching this film, put them in the Land Cruiser, put them on a canoe, and show them these little village schools where the kids are so thrilled to have a school to go to. Show them a little clinic where the first time they can get some medical attention. Show them a solar electrification scheme. It's terrific.
Thanks so much, Paul.
Thank you,
Good to
Greg.
see you
Good
again,
to see you
brother.
always, brother. Okay, thanks.
Take
Bye.
care.